Now let us discuss one more example. When determinant of A is equals to 0, that means we are discussing case 1 as of the previous video. Case 1 says that if determinant of A is 0, then we have to check consistent or inconsistent. So let us discuss. Suppose we have these two equations in two variables. So frame this equation like we have discussed in the previous video. Ax equals to b. So what is A? The coefficients of x and y. 1, 3, 2, 6. 1, 3, 2, 6 we have written. And what is x? X is the two variables which we are going to find out. And b is what? On the right side, the constant terms. 5 and 8 are the constant terms. So Ax equals to b, that means this becomes x is equals to A inverse b. So main thing, we have to take out the A inverse, but before that we have to check whether this is consistent or not. So for that we have to find determinant of A. Take out the determinant of A. Say 1 into 6 minus 3 to the 6. So answer is 0. So case 1 says that according to the previous video, when determinant of A is 0, then we have to take out the adjoint of A into B. So how to take out adjoint of A into B? Transpose the cofactors. This is adjoint of A into B. B is what? 5, 8. 5 and 8. Sorry. 5 and 8. Clear? So now multiply the terms row into column. We are getting this value 6 and minus 2. So this value, again we have to check, this is not equal to 0, not equal to null matrix. So this is inconsistent system of equations. You have to close the question here only. Just write this is inconsistent system of equations. So no solution. In case of inconsistent, there will be no solution. So write no solution because it is inconsistent system of equations. And if it would have been 0 or null matrix, then may or may not be consistent. That case will not be coming. Now see the next question. Now these are the three equations. Here we have taken two equations with two variables. Now we are going to take three equations with three variables. Here are the three equations. So write the coefficients. We know the formula is what? Ax equals to b. So write it like that only. Ax equals to b. Ax equals to b. A is what? The coefficients of x, y, z. What is the coefficient of x? 3. Minus 1. Minus 2. X is missing here. So when any variable is missing, that means the coefficient of that missing variable will be 0. So x is missing, so write 0. Coefficient of y is 2. Z is minus 1. X is 3. Y is minus 5. Z is again missing here in the third equation, so write 0. First step, take out the determinant of A. This is 0. Now again we have to check when determinant of A is 0, then check adjoint of A into B. This is not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, I am not solving this further because in the above question we have already solved how to take out the adjoint of A into B. So take out adjoint of A into B. If this is not equal to 0, this is inconsistent. If it is equal to 0, this is consistent or may not be consistent. If consistent, it has many solutions. If it is inconsistent, will not be any solution. So solve this step, do yourself.